Hey, will this thing fly indoors? I think it will, as a matter of fact. Here we go. Now for some outdoor action. Look at that beautiful, beautiful day. Little guy was not so interested in hanging around. Here we go to the lake. It was so windy though, we couldn't go out there. So we had to step back and watch from here. Beautiful, beautiful shot. Here we go. Which way do we go? A tree. Oh my goodness. Hang a left. Okay. Forward, forward, forward. Steady as she goes. Come on, you can do it. Stop, 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 stop. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. No, 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 no. Other right. There we go. Alright, forward. Easy now. Easy. Here we go. Here we go. Don't hit the trailer. You can do it. Steady, steady. Oh wait, a lamppost. No, stop. Okay, oh, there we go. Turn. Ah, yes. Thread the needle. Oh, there we are. Back up. Turn left. No, no, other left. There we go. Left, 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 left. Now, set it down. Charge the battery and away we go.